All right, kids are coming up with us. You guys can all ride together, okay?
That's wild.
Yeah, dude.
Someone paired up.
Oh yeah.
All coaches and volunteers for this program need time to raise registration.
Yeah. Probably. I mean, they gotta.
You just want to go with that?
They gotta squish down, right?
How
You
was
look like a
it?
yummy mummy.
Good. You would have been happy.
It was
I would
awesome.
not have
It was
been
fun.
happy. Hi, sweetie.
Probably went over the bump super fast. You guys loved it.
Right there on Brian's hand, but other than that, it was delightful.
What perfect skiing weather though.
Oh,
Holy
I
cow.
know.
Like, you don't get, I mean, it's cold out, but you're just,
They're kind of
as
fine.
long as you dress appropriately, you're fine.
So much technology and gear nowadays. It's like,
I wonder what.
And jeans.
So, what did you guys come down? You came down this?
Yeah.
yeah, and over there. Okay. Or this, basically this.
Yeah, I think we came down
Yeah.
that.
It's fine. Yeah, it wasn't icy at all. It was fine.
I think we ended up coming down from
Yeah,
over there.
I think we did. Yeah.
Not straight here, but over there.
And it was a blue.
It was?
Yeah.
I was going to say, I feel like I could do that.
That
one
one's
there.
You
blue.
could totally do it.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad at all.
This one might be a little rough.
How you doing?
Good.
She's doing awesome. You're not afraid of speed like I am.
Well,
Which I should have guessed that.
Can we go down this? Or do they not want you to?
I don't know. If it's closed off for like
because someone's practicing.
if it's closed off,
never
they'll
done
let
it.
you know usually.
Since we have the kids, do you want to go over to that other run you were talking about?
Yeah.
It has a good view.
So that might be a good idea.
Yeah.
Whatever you want to
We'll
do.
just look at the map.
We
And
can
Yeah.
kind of get over to the other side of the hill now.
you might just be able to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Brian, did Charlie say how she's doing? She's not like too cold.
She's
or
doing great.
anything?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Had I think a smile.
Okay.
We can't tell.
I could sense the dread in her eyes a little bit this morning.
She's a little nervous. Yeah.
Well, I don't know about
Just-
nervous. I just don't think she wouldn't have.
what?
When Stella told her it was 2 degrees outside, she was
Oh,
like,
yeah.
that's
She's not a
Yeah.
Florida girl, not a snow girl. So
And I will tell you, that unless I'm skiing, that's how I am.
yeah.
Like I have
right.
zero.
But she'll find interest. I mean, you just gotta try it.
like people that stand
That's funny, I was
around
talking to one of my
outside
clients on
in the snow around the
Thursday
campfire.
about skiing. I was
yeah.
going up. He's
Or like the
"Oh,
ice
like, do you
fishing.
ski?"
No.
Like
He's
hell
in
no.
Franklin. He's like, no. He's
Zero.
like, and I don't know if I want to deal with the old guy in the slopes. I'm like, how old are you? He's like 30. I'm like,
Old guy.
old
Dude.
guy. I'm like, dude, I learned to ski. I'm 41. I learned to ski when I was 37.
Right.
And I was like, the only problem you have learning to ski when you're 30 is that you understand fear.
Right.
Correct. That's the only problem. Otherwise, it's technically not.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's
That's
not
my
much
entire
to it.
problem. I start getting fast, and I'm just like, no, I'm dying.
Yeah.
Part of it is my knees are so bad, like they do give out. Like at Breck one time, it wasn't even a hard run, it was a nice casual run, and my knee just gave out.
Yeah, that is the biggest issue with skiing.
Yeah. But I like this break of sitting in between. Like by the end of by the bottom, I'm like, oh, I feel a little,
Yeah.
these short runs are okay
Yep.
for me remembering it.
Those are those floaters now.
Yeah.
So
Out of
when
shape.
it's white, it's the hardest, and it's
What do you see? Just like blank
It looks
stuff?
like jellyfish swimming through my eyes.
What the hell? How do you fix that?
Yeah.
You have jellyfish?
I have
Got
floaters.
Oh,
So,
LASIK.
What's
no,
that?
No, there's no fix for it.
There's no fix for the floaters?
No, they eventually. So like this, like there's whatever behind your eye, and it gets a little bit loose, and then these things will just like
The
some of them dissolve, but you'll always have them, and then you just get used to it. But like for like 2 weeks, I was struggling. Like I had migraines all day.
That's awful. Sorry.
Does it make driving hard?
Yeah, like last night
Yeah.
his eyes were straining. Yeah.
Like I had my sunglasses on, I was fine. But then when it was like that time where like if your sunglasses on, it's too dark,
Yeah.
so you take them off. But it was like just that in between time, and that was.
So the bright.
So I
bright-
actually wanted
bright-
to get dark out.
Bright is bad.
Right is bad.
You have your cloudy day goggles on.
Yeah. Right?
Thank God for that.
Thank God. Thank God the forecast has more clouds than sun.
Yeah. Well, it's not correct at all.
Dad, I don't think that's it.
So here. Carly, come on, I want you to go.
See how that's how you turn. Pick up, you want to turn, pick up. Yes, good job. Now pick up your right foot and turn to the right.
Okay. Good save. Jenna, you don't tell me to move. You move around me. That's cool.
That was so fun.
Good job, dude. That was awesome. You did great. Yeah.
Because we had all that snow, like you couldn't, like you just got.
Oh yeah.
Oh, good.
100%. We'll slow that one down. All right, put your skis parallel. Not that way.
Not that way. Remember?
Perpendicular to the hill. There you go. Just plant your poles and stand right up. Good job.
Good job.
First garage sale.
Yep. It wasn't a garage sale, though.
No. Just a partial.